I'm Emily.
And I'm Ingrid.
We're the T-Zone, and this is Beauty on the Street.
So follow along as we chat with friends and spill a couple beauty secrets.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
We spotted you from but your hair is
you.
magnificent.
Thank you so much.
So what's your name?
Maddie.
And what are you up to?
So I just went to some brunch with some friends and then popped into Sephora
Yes, we
before I left.
the Sephora bag.
Yes. So this is probably my ride or die product that I could never live without.
Oh, it's a gel.
It's a gel.
Okay,
Tell us what you're using, how you're using it.
Okay, so I do like the curly girl method. So I use Tresemme Botanicals coconut shampoo. It's pretty cheap. It's like $5. And then I wash my hair with that, and then I leave extra in, and then I put this on top when it's like soaking wet and like curl my hair into curls and then do some more gel. So yeah, that's the
That's the secret sauce. What about like leave-in conditioner and that sort of thing?
So I watched a YouTube video and a girl was like, you don't need leave-in conditioner, just use extra of your conditioner.
So you just don't rinse out all your conditioner?
Or I rinse it out and then I put more in after. Yeah. While it's wet in the shower. Yeah.
And then you leave that in?
Then just leave it, yeah.
And then you put the gel on top?
The gel on top, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing. See, curly girls always have the best tips because they know what they need to do to their own hair. So I love learning about everybody else's little techniques.
Yeah. When I read that, I was like, I can just buy less. This is amazing.
Yeah, that is a very good hack.
Yeah.
But your curls are so defined.
Thank you. So yeah, I like, when I put the gel in, I section it off and then like wrap.
Is that the curly girl method? I don't know anything about curly hair.
She doesn't have curly hair.
God,
she
sorry,
doesn't
I'm
know.
so sorry.
What is the curly girl
Please
method?
teach me.
It's okay.
I was like, curly
Do you do the
method?
curly
Okay.
girl method?
I don't think I actually do, but I have read about it.
Yeah.
And
Okay. All curls are different.
what about the journey with like haircut, hair shape? Because I feel like when you grow up with curly hair, it was like a journey to find a love for my curls. Did you have that experience, or did you always love your curly hair?
I like hated them. I used to straighten my hair in high school all the time, and then my mom actually has like hair like yours. So she literally,
Damaged?
yeah, no, super straight. So she was like, she didn't even know what to do with my hair. I think she bought me an Afro pick, and I was like, that was like her, like, I think this will work for you.
Yeah.
I've seen it work for other curly hair, and I was like, that's not.
Yeah.
So I get it cut dry is probably the biggest thing.
Yeah. That is a game changer for sure.
Yeah. There's like one stylist in Ottawa that I go to because I'm from there. I haven't found one here, so if you guys know a good.
Oh yeah, we got all the curly girls.
Yeah.
Oh, welcome!
Yeah.
Oh my God, yay!
So if you guys do have a good curly hair salon.
And what else are you using on a regular basis? Your skin is like perfect.
And your lashes are amazing.
Thank you. Oh my God, this is the nicest. This is like the best thing that's ever happened to me. Okay, so skin. I use Drunk Elephant. I have their samples.
Oh, yeah.
I have their samples. I haven't committed to buying the full.
It's pricey.
It's so pricey.
Yeah, it's pricey.
So I used to buy the moisturizer.
Proteini?
Oh,
Protini.
Protini.
And then I bought the CeraVe one from the drugstore, and it's like the same thing. So-
CeraVe is great.
Yeah.
We love CeraVe.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love CeraVe.
Excellent for sensitive skin.
Excellent for sensitive skin. Are you wearing mascara now, or are you just naturally very gifted
I'm
with
really
the
lucky.
lash?
My dad has never worn makeup, and his lashes are like 10 times this. I've always wanted to curl them, but he's never let me.
Well, I mean, yours are perfect.
Thank you so much.
Even your bottom lashes are
Thank
like
you. Wow.
robust.
Wow.
And
Thanks, guys.
full.
Yeah.
So I guess you don't even have. You just have good genes.
Yeah.
No secrets.
Thank
just good DNA.
Yeah.
Just get that good DNA, you're set.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was so nice to meet you guys.
So nice chatting
Yeah.
with
Yeah. You as well.
Cool.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yay.